What's going on, guys? Welcome to first vlogging video on this channel. This is my first time that I'm filming an actual vlog for my channel, and I wrote a post here on YouTube on my community page if I should start doing some random vlogs from from my life, and a couple of you voted for yes. So yeah, I thought I should give it a try. So yeah, today basically I'm going to clean my car. That's quite nasty to say, actually. I did clean my car last Saturday. For those who are following me on Instagram, I posted a video there where I showed you that I cleaned my car. But today I will clean the actual seats of the car, because I have leather seats on my car and they got dirty in time, of course, and I never actually got the chance to clean them properly. I just washed them with wet napkins and that was all. But today I bought some products from here, from Romania. Should probably, I don't know, I will test them out because I've seen lots of ads on Instagram with them and I bought them, so I guess we'll find out. We'll see if they are going to clean the seats or it was just a waste of money. So let me show you the products. So I have here the box, which came quite well packed for fragile products, I guess. I'll take this out. We have here a scrub pad, which is going to help us to apply the cleaning solution, cleaning whatever that is on the seats. We also have a circular applicator sponge. I think this is for the hydration, because you have to hydrate the leather seats after you clean them. It's a secret rule, I guess. Here is the leather clean. It's some type of foam, as far as I know, so we're going to see in a few minutes. This is the leather guard, this is what they call it, but it's an actual leather conditioner spray. You apply this on the leather in order to keep it hydrated. As you can see, we have now achieved this fabulous weather, and we have sun, and the direct sun on the seats is going to make them dry and you'll have cracks on the seats. So yeah, I guess you have to keep them hydrated, of course. And we have also an all-purpose cloth. I think with this one we clean the spray that is too much on the, I don't know, actually we are going to see. Maybe we are going to read something from the back of the bag. Yeah, so the brand is called Flash Detail. It's a Romanian brand from here. And of course that I have to mention that I'm not sponsored by these guys, by Flash Detail. They didn't pay me to do this video. I made this video myself because I wanted to try the product. I've seen, as I told you earlier, I've seen lots of ads on Instagram, on TikTok, on all over the internet. And of course my first thought was, I should give it a try, because the front seats in my car are quite dirty, because as you can see, I have a light color on my seats and you can tell when the seats are dirty, of course. So I never actually tried to clean them. I had a small attempt maybe a few months back, just with wet napkins and nothing else, but now that I have these products, I will try them out and I will of course let you my honest reaction to this. These guys are actually shipping worldwide, so if you want to check the products, I will put the link in the description below to actually check their website, because they do ship worldwide. So if you want to check the products, you will just go to their websites and try them out. So let's get started. Now of course that I will try to clean, as I told you, the front seats, because they are the dirtiest ones. So the back seat is actually looking quite good, but I will also clean the back seats too. So let me show you the passenger on the right side of the car seat. So they say that if the leather of the car seats it's shiny, as you can see here, the shinier the leather, the dirtier the seat is actually getting. So in theory, my seats are quite dirty because they do look shiny a lot, especially when the sun comes on the sky. So what I will do, I will try to split the seat with this paper tape, maybe just here, so we can actually try to see the difference between the cleaned part and the side that was not cleaned, so we can tell the difference. Maybe it will be not such a huge difference, but if we put tape here, we are going to see much better, of course. So let me apply the tape here. Now, of course, that at first step, I apply the tape here. Then I will take, of course, the leather clean. This is a foam. I will shake it a bit, because that's what they say in the instruction to, before applying, to shake it. Then I will take the scrub sponge out and we'll see what's going on. Now let's see what's happening if we try to apply the foam on the. I will try to clean this side here, and we'll leave this side for the before and after process. As you can see, we have some foam here. I will take the sponge scrub and will try to apply it evenly. And they said on the internet that you don't have to actually apply with a lot of pressure, just gently do it in order not to affect your leather. So I will try to do it as gently as I can, just to take the dirt off and nothing else. Now, of course, that you can see that I have lots of scratches and cracks on my front seat. That's because only the front seats were actually used the most, especially the driver's one. I will show you later. So yeah, the plan is in future to change the front seats, but I guess that when I will have the time and the money, of course, because they are not cheap. Okay, now that we did clean here, let's take the cloth out and let's see if we have what's happening. So we have here, of course, the logo of the flash detail. Let's clean the surface. Now, the moment of truth. Let's see if we take the tape off, what's happening. To be honest with you, I can feel the difference because this side is very shiny and glossy, and this side here it's interesting. As you can see, the camera actually gets it. As you can see, we have a small difference, or huge. Let's say that we have a huge difference, but I can also try harder. Maybe I should have tried harder. Let me actually do it on this side here. Let's see what's happening there. But as you can see, it actually worked. It actually worked. Okay, so I applied here the tape. I'll try to clean this side. Now we leave this one here. Where's the tape? In order to see the before and after process. So again, I will take the leather clean, apply some foam here, and then the scrub pad, and let's gently apply it here on this surface and see what's happening. So I finished applying the leather clean. I will also take the cloth again and let's do a small cleaning to take off what's remained from the foam. It feels quite nice. Now let's see what's happening if we take the tape off. Hold on a second. If I have to be honest with you, here I don't see no difference here. So maybe it's small one, but the camera don't see it, or maybe just a little bit here. I can tell. I will also try on the steering wheel because that looks nasty bad. As I said, I will try to clean the steering wheel because you can see that it's very shiny. I placed there the box because the sun comes here and you can see nothing. So yeah, I will apply also here some paper tape and let's see what's going on. So I place here the tape. I will clean this side here and we'll keep the other one in order to see the difference. But this time I will place the foam on the scrub pad. I can't really put it here. So yeah, let's just apply some foam on the scrub pad. Please place it here evenly. Now let's try to clean the steering wheel. Again, take the cloth, simply just take everything that's too much, take it off. I don't know if the camera sees it, but you can already tell the difference because this one is not shiner as much as the part above here. But also at touching, you can just tell that now it's different than this side here. Well, let's take the tape off so we can better tell the difference. Yeah, well, the camera doesn't see it, but at a certain angle, you can tell the difference. Here was the tape and then here I tried to clear it. Maybe I should insist more, but I'm not sure. But of course that I have to clean the seats, as I said, not necessarily the steering wheel because the steering wheel looks great. But let me show you the driver's seat. As you can see, you can tell how dirty this is at first glance. It's very shiny, one. And second, it has lots of cracks, of course, because the car is quite old. It's not brand new. But let's try here to put tape again on this seat and let's see the difference here. So I have this tape. I will gently apply it here and of course I have to press it very well. I will try to clean this side and I'll keep the other one for before and after process. Let's take the leather clean, shake it. We apply some foam here, take the scrub pad of course, and just clean as this was your last time you clean your car. Just do it as you would do it if you would selling your car right now. Here also it's very dirty, of course. Now let's see what's happening if we clean this. Of course you have to clean everything very well. And now let's take the tape off and see the magic. I'll do like this so you can see. Beautiful. Here too. And just tell that this leather clean actually works. As you can see, it works very well. So now all I have to do is to clean the whole seat, of course, every seat, and then hydrate the seats. So yeah, this is pretty much for today's vlog, guys. I'm not going to take you to the whole process of cleaning my seats because that would be boring, of course. Yeah, to keep in mind that this is my first vlog. I don't know how it works, but if you watched this video till the end and you enjoyed it, let me know in the comments below. Smash that button like. So yeah, I guess I'll try to make another one as soon as I can and I get the time because I have a full schedule. Meanwhile, let me know what should I do in Blender next. Maybe a tutorial or live streaming, maybe, I guess. I don't know, you tell me, guys. Yeah, so as I told you, I'm not sponsored by Flash Detail, but if you like the product, go and check them out on their website. Personally, I do like the leather cleaner. It looks great, especially on the front seats. I can just tell the difference because they were quite dirty, for sure. I will add below the link from their website if you're interested. I was Adrian, I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one.